G'day. We've been called by a client to do a preventative biofogging in the COVID time and in the pandemic. The client just wanted to make sure that everything was right. So it's a very simple procedure. It's we do a biofogging with a hospital grade disinfectant, which you'll see in the video, and then we go out and we actually do a touch point clean with a hospital grade disinfectant with a disposable towel. That way we're really covering everything. The biofogging really gets into all the surfaces, and then the touch point cleaning is just an added extra to ensure that we've got all the touch points sanitized.